Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Ironheart International. This is based in London, England, and I got this I think more than a month ago, and it was sold out for about, I think, in less than one day or a few hours, that I was not able to get this item on their website. However, after a few days, something came up, and I found out there is an available size which is bigger than my usual size, and I was able to get this, and it was sent through my forwarder, which is based in Los Angeles, California, the Johnny Air Cargo, and it is very efficient. Since the time that I started ordering Ironheart in the year 2022, that is 4 years ago, and I am very satisfied with their service, to the point that I don't have any problems with them with regards to the payment of the shipping fee. Others, it was a bad experience for me to order directly from Ironheart International, wherein I paid a lot of taxes and shipping fee. So this is it, and we're going to open this, and I will rip this famous green plastic package. And then this is the usual brown paper bag. This is always inside in that green bag. By the way, this item was released I think 3 months ago, and it was sold out immediately. I got this Ironheart This is a sweatshirt. It is hoodie. It is a hoodie. So they gave me this sticker, Ironheart 21, which signifies 21 ounces on their favorite indigo jeans. So we'll set it aside. So this is it. IHSW, this is 79 from Ironheart, and the size is large. Oh, very beautiful. It is a hoodie. It is a sweatshirt. It does not have any zipper, and it has a pocket on the front, on the belly side, and of course you have the Ironheart tab on the left side, and of course you have the Ironheart on the breast. So if you visit the Ironheart website, all of this is sold out. The fabric is very thick. And I think it is thicker than the flannel. And the inside portion it looks like a flannel. And this is a very warm item. Of course, I only use this kind of items from Ironheart if I travel abroad, most especially if I go to Japan and in the United States. So we'll go now to the fitting video of this sweater or hoodie, and thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.